We're going to quickly review a formula field, and in this formula field, we're going to show how to create a date value out of a date time field, and then it's just a quick calculation from using a today timestamp, calculating the amount of days after a lead has been created. Uh, you can get this actually with some of the out of the box stuff in reporting like age, but this is simply just an example. So here I just have this set up as a custom number field because I want the output between, to measure the amount of days in between two dates. So the first thing you'll see is I have today with open and close bracket. So this is going to give me the date of today. This formula is always going to pull the date of today when it's calculating. If you were to use now, this would be a date time value. Today is the date value. So I want to subtract the created date from today to see what's the difference between these two dates. Now, if I take out date value here and check this, you'll see that the error that pops up says it expected a number date and it received date time. So that's why this created date, which is a date time field, needs to have the date value function put around it in order to convert it to a date. If you see here, date value creates a date from its date time or text representation. So once I save this here, you'll see what I end up with. Let's just refresh this page real quick. Is my custom number field, and it says 36. So since the created date of March 14th, it has been 36 days until today. And that's just a simple formula on messing with some date fields, converting a date time field into a date in order to make this formula work. Thanks.